Hello everyone, and welcome back to DMG. Super excited because this is a sealed VisionTek Radeon 9200. A sealed AGP card. Like it's got the plastic on it. VisionTek still sells these, like they sell their overstock, like old legacy cards on eBay. They have like an official eBay profile. They sell a couple varieties of like Radeon 9000. They sell some HD 2400 Pros. There's a lot of good AGP cards there, so if you're looking for a sealed one, I would recommend looking there. But I just want to do a quick overview of this box. This fantastic, like, 90s packaging. Let's see, system requirements. I gotta sit down to read this. Sorry, I can't really show it on camera. But it says, let's see. Ooh, it's got Catalyst driver support, smart shader, smooth vision. These things need to be in all caps, apparently, because it's the 2000s. Let's see. Okay, so package contains Ecstasy Radeon 9200 graphics accelerator, quick install guide. It comes with demos, let's go, and ATI Catalyst drivers. Oh, we got some high system requirements. I don't know if I can match these. Pentium 432 or Celeron, and an AMD Duron Athlon or Athlon XP. Windows 98 Me 2000 XP, 128 megs of system memory. On the back we've got Cool Kids, and they're cool because they bought a VisionTek card. It's got mind-blowing gaming performance, awe-inspiring visual effects. Ever have two screens at once? I have, actually. But, oh wow. If only they knew GPUs would come with like 6 display outputs in 20 years. Alright, let's open it. Now while I am opening it, I will talk about, you know, what this is for. So I was going to build a full, 2000 system with some of the parts that still work from the first PC that I ever took a look at on the channel, because unfortunately it was dead. Had some nice components in it though. It had a nice Athlon XP, it had RAM, had a hard disk, you know, all of that, but, you know, I thought a video card would be nice. So I wanted one sealed, because it would come with the driver disc. Wow, talk about egregious packaging. This is, wow. Stop. Alright, there's our card down there. Our Radeon 9200. Oh, that's a beautiful card. Then we've got our driver CD. Let's take a look at this manual really quickly. The manual. Accelerator installation. Tells you to turn off the power to the computer and the monitor. Unplug it. They got their PCI slot a bit wrong. That's not quite what a PCI slot looks like. But, let's see, remove. It says to disable onboard graphics in the system BIOS. That's good. Check if you have AGP or PCI card. Back in the day, floppy power connectors used to be used for graphics cards, so it tells you how to hook that up. Now, if you look on this PCB, they aren't soldered. They probably use this PCB for like 5 other cards. But just looking at the PCB, it has places for 2, or solder points for 2 of those floppy power connectors. I don't have anything to install it in with me at the moment, because my motherboard is still on the way. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Wow, it smells brand new. That's a weird thing, but it does. Very, very pungent card, but not in a bad way. It smells good. Alright, we've got, let's see, we've got 4 Hynix memory chips. Oh, 8 total, so I forget what bus width that is, maybe 128. We've got our AGP 8X slot. Oh, I meant to do that. Let's see. 256 megs of DDR. So yeah, does confirm my suspicion this PCB was used for some other things. It's got, you know, lots of solder points that aren't filled. Then it's got places for a screw-on heatsink. We've got DVI S-Video, which no one has ever used, and VGA. And, oh, look at this. We got a jumper for NTSC and PAL. Back in the simple days. So, you put the jumper there for PAL, but because I'm not in Europe, I'm going to keep it on NTSC. That's just fantastic. Soon I'm going to have a video of, you know, actually building a system with this and testing it out. Because unfortunately, at the moment, I don't have anything with an AGP slot. I hope the demos are on this CD because I want to try out the Radeon 9000 demos. But yeah, that's it. Oh, it's got it in French, I think. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching. That's it for this video, and see you next time.